Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, hello from the center of Germany, Frankfurt am Main. So we have two Frankfurts in Germany. One is in the center of Germany and the other one is far to the northeast, close to the border of Poland. But luckily, I'm in the center of Germany, close to the big airport. Let's give you a short update about my channel. So first of all, I'm really sorry that you're not getting the same content as a couple months ago, since I'm at the moment really busy. So at the moment I'm doing quite a lot of reviews about accessories. That will change in the near future because I have some new stuff coming up. There's a review about the Canon RF 50mm f1.8 STM. Then I will do a comparison between the Canon EOS R6 versus the Canon EOS R this week actually. Then upcoming the Sony 24mm f1.4 G Master. I will do a big tutorial about how to film using a camera, but that will be in German first and next year in English. Some tutorials coming up, and there are some more things that I probably just forgot about. So make sure to follow me on Telegram, where you get all the new updates about the upcoming reviews. Also some sample files. You have now a comment function, and I will share everything what I'm doing with you in Telegram. So let's get started straight away. Today it's time to review something I got just this week from Amazon. The link is listed in the video description below. So if you would like to support my channel, feel free to buy it from this link. If you're sitting in the United States of America, if you tap on that link, it should redirect you to amazon.com and not the German one, amazon.de. So this one here is a USB-C hub, which I would recommend to use on a computer. A problem with that big USB-C hub is that it consumes a lot of energy. Let's assume you're sitting in a company which doesn't provide you any wireless LAN, so you need to make sure to get an adapter like that so you can use your iPad, your smartphone, or your MacBook or any other notebook out there with USB Type-C in the company you're sitting in. So I got this one here because this one, as you can see, allows you to use a LAN connection so as to charge the device that you're using at the same time. There are quite a few Ethernet to USB-C adapters, however, most of them do not feature a port to charge the device. I bought it myself this week actually and give it a try, and I'm actually quite happy using it so far. Let me explain you some problems with these kind of USB-C adapters. So they take a lot of energy from your device. Do not ever forget to take them out of your device after finished using it, because you might run out of battery. You probably think, why is this guy talking so much about an Ethernet to USB-C adapter? Because after a while testing several of them, I figured out that there's so many issues and some advantages actually. So first of all, the advantages. You have a stable internet connection. If your company or your university doesn't allow you to use the wireless LAN, make sure to use the LAN. If you're kind of afraid using all these wireless connections, use one of these adapters. The biggest disadvantage is, of course, the electricity consumption, and on the other side, some apps are not working as they should or like they used to work using a wireless connection. So everyone, here's my iPad Pro 2018 12.9 inch. Wi-Fi is disabled, as you can see. And first of all, let's have a look at this one here. If you connect it to the iPad, first of all, this one here takes a lot of energy. I figured out that my iPad runs out of battery from 100% down to 0 within 1.5 hours. It used to be like 9 to 10 hours actually. So if I use now a LAN cable, which is this one here from CSL, the link is listed in the video description below. It's actually one of the best cables I've ever used. There should be an LED flashing. Let me see it on the camera display. Yes, you can see it. I can do actually everything now. So I can get the weather, works. Email, works. Movies, Apple TV, works. YouTube, works. There's no problem here at all. So all of YouTube is working. You can download your footage, you can comment everything. iMessage, big problem. If you're trying to send now a text message using iMessage, it doesn't work. And I have no idea why. It's connected to the internet and you can't use iMessage for whatever reason. So if I use the same connection but in wireless LAN, it's no problem at all. So here's one big issue. Big problem, if I now connect the cable, the USB-C cable, to this USB hub using the wall brick which comes with the iPad, it says not charging because this USB hub takes too much energy. So you have to use the one from your MacBook or at least a one with more than 30 to 60 watts. Let's use the one from Belkin. As you can see, you have 2 LEDs and it shouldn't be any problem. Everything is loading so fast. You can update all the apps, you can download new apps, and I have to say that because with some Ethernet adapters it doesn't work. Apple TV, so if you're trying to download any of these movies, it's working and it's working quite fast. Even in the highest resolution, it takes less than 5 minutes to download a movie, but I do have to admit that I'm having here a gigabit internet connection. So synchronizing all your notes works as well. Emails are working, and if you're having any trouble connecting to your friends or to your company using iMessage, what I can highly recommend is to use Telegram. It works on all Android devices, it works on all Windows devices, it works on all iOS devices, and your account is always synchronized. Big advantage using this USB hub is that it doesn't consume that much electricity as the other one here, having all the same features. Let's see if the iPad is charging with the wall brick that comes with the iPad using this adapter. And as you can see, it's charging, no issues here, and the wireless LAN is disconnected. So let's have a look if that is working. USA Today, for instance, random site. So browsing through the internet, no problem at all. MacBook Pro 2020. I'm charging it now using the wall brick that comes with the iPad actually. And here is the Belkin USB-C hub. As you can see, we're connected using a LAN connection. I'm an iMessage and sending now a text message. And as you can see, that's working. So I have no idea why iMessage is not working using a LAN connection on the iPad. While at the same time I can use the Belkin Ethernet-adapter on the MacBook Pro without any issues. Solution for that, get Telegram, one of the best messengers on this planet. You can send files up to 2 gigabytes. You can have group chats with up to 200,000 people, no problems at all. You can do broadcasting, video calls, audio calls, no problems here at all. So before we finish this review about a simple Ethernet to USB-C adapter, I do have a question for all of you Apple geeks out there. How is it possible to share my internet connection with some other guys out there? How is that possible to make a hotspot? Or is it actually possible? Because inside this menu here, it's not possible. I'm using the Wi-Fi only version, so I don't have any 4G or 5G iPad here. Is there any chance, is there any app out there which allows me to share this connection that I have with maybe my iPhone? If you have any idea if that is possible, please make sure to state a comment under this video. Thank you very much for your undivided attention. As I said, if you would like to support my channel, feel free to purchase the adapter from the link in the video description below. All the best from the heart of Germany, Frankfurt am Main.